automotive design is shifting to Blender. Legacy pipelines can cost thousands per seat while limiting flexibility and innovation. Blender is free, powerful, customizable, and now with enterprise-level training to match automotive standards. "3D cars inside and out." Industry-proven training trusted by major automotive companies worldwide. Featuring the essential guide mesh technique, the key to achieving Class A comparable results in Blender without nerves. Professional step-by-step instruction from the very first vertex to the final renders. Save time, save money, stay ahead with Blender. Get started now with 3D cars inside and out.